Hello everyone, I hope you're having a nice day. So I was playing around in DaVinci and I figured out a way to make my animations way more smooth and engaging. And it's not that big of a discovery, but I was experimenting and I think it's really cool. First, I'm going to show you how I used to make animations the old way. It's super simple, super quick. I grabbed the PNG, first set the size and the position we want it to appear in. Okay, set a keyframe in the start for the zoom. And after a few frames, set another keyframe. For this one, make it so small. Yeah, like 0. And fade in effect. And this is how it looks. Then open the keyframes curve from here. Click on this keyframe, ease in, this keyframe ease out, and here it is. Another look for the animation is if you click on this point and drag it to make it look like this, it's gonna look like that. Another type of animation was the slide in, so I'm gonna make a copy of this PNG here by holding Alt and moving it. Remove the fade in for now and put keyframes in the position instead of the zooms. Now I want it to slide from under, so go to the first keyframe, make it come from here. For example, the curve, choose the position. If position Y or the value that you want to control is not highlighted, you can click on it like I just did, or click on this arrow here and choose it. Do just like I did with the previous one, on this keyframe out, this keyframe in. As you can see, sometimes it doesn't smooth out on its own, so you have to drag it manually like this. Now watch the animation. Now fade in. It's smooth, it's good, but we can make it even better. So grab a copy of the PNG. We don't need to play with those anymore. Here. So extend it. First, it looks better when it's this kind of curve. Turn off fade in for now. Click on this to show the position of the keyframe in an easier way to drag it horizontally. And what you can do is just drag it till the end of the clip. Like let's say I wanted to display from here till the end. So if I want to show this icon for 3 seconds, it's gonna be 1 keyframe in the start, 1 keyframe in the end. Now, if we leave it like that, it's gonna be smooth, but it's gonna be so slow and boring. And that's not what we want. So what you can do is come to the first keyframe, change the position so that it comes from outside the view. Then drag the curve up there to force it to come faster. Make sure it doesn't go up and down to the second keyframe. Make sure the second keyframe is always on top, like the highest position. And you can view the numbers by hovering over it. So you can see it went down to 10 and back to 11. So what we can do about this is drag the stick and lower the stick from here. Drag the right stick more until you can see that it goes up quickly and then it slowly turns to the position we want. I think this is it. Now let's watch it. I zoomed in just to show it better. So as you can see, the animation is smooth and it stays playing throughout the whole duration of the clip. And this way it's gonna look smooth the whole time and the viewer is always gonna see something moving, which is gonna be more engaging and more interesting to watch. Now let's put in the fade in effect to see the final result. I think it looks super cool. If you don't like how it's showing in the bottom of the video here, in the bottom of the frame, you can keyframe the opacity. So move a few frames Then keyframe the opacity, some more frames, and then turn down the first one. And it's gonna look like this. So the animation technically starts from here. So that was it. I'm not so sure how helpful this might be for you, but it sure is for me, and I thought I might as well share it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.